Hi, it's me Michael from Men's Finest and welcome to yet another shoe review, Bexley. Have you ever heard of Bexley? I have been given two pairs of shoes to review from a company called Bexley. It's a French company. Caroline, thank you so much for being an awesome communicator. Bexley, here we go. Because searching for quality shoes for men is always a personal quest of mine. I'm trying always to figure it out what is the sort of best price to sort of quality, maybe made in Europe, maybe made from fantastic materials kind of shoes. And to be honest, there is always that sort of temptation to just go on high street and buy something that is readily available. But maybe we should be actually looking elsewhere. Maybe France, maybe Spain, maybe Poland, maybe Germany, maybe other countries that also produce shoes, because let's be honest, all those Lokes and Churches and Clarks, yeah, I think we had enough of them here in the UK. So two pairs of shoes that I got from Bexley are one of the pairs of shoes that I got from Bexley is this sort of winter autumn kind of shoe. Ta-da! I mean, they are just gorgeous. So again, Bexley, thank you so much for sending them over. Let's just try them on and see what happens. Let's just jump onto some cutouts and I'll show you how I styled those shoes in the city centre of Liverpool. Do you also tend to smell your shoes? What I really like about those shoes straight up is the sort of shape of them. I like the shape of that. One thing I would say straight away in this review is that I would want to see a bit of a story put inside the box about those shoes, like who designed them, how they are getting made, where are the materials from, anything that can help me justify the price and make me want to buy more of them. So Bexley, I would add a bit of a story to it, or some personal touch. Wow, what do you think, guys, about these shoes? I like the look, the feel, the smell of them. I think I'm gonna be a bit of a fan of Bexley shoes. The feel when you put them on is just snug, nice feel. There isn't that much room. So again, if your foot is perhaps a bit sort of bigger in the sort of more flatter and maybe heavier, and maybe these are not shoes for you because they are very much kind of slim fit and kind of narrow body through the toe, through the legs. So so just bear that in mind. But apart from that, I mean, how can you style them in so many different ways? You can wear them with jeans, with chinos, you know, especially on weathers like today in Liverpool when it's rainy and it's muddy and it's blah. These are just perfect. You know, that's going to be my probably the sort of spring to autumn choice for, you know, looking smart, looking nice, and something that I can easily sort of do a bit of a turn up just rock them. And we just finished shooting all the lookbooks for these Bexley shoes, and first thought is that normally new shoes will break my legs and my feet. They usually sort of leave lots of scuffs and scars, and my sort of toes and heel will be severely damaged. Now with these, bizarrely, that didn't happen. I was walking with sort of in them for about 2, maybe more, maybe 3 hours, sort of shooting different looks, and they were actually all right. You know, I don't know if it's because actually inside that shoe there is leather only, so the entire shoe is sort of made of leather, and that sort of helps the heel and the feet in sort of movement. So yeah, maybe that's the reason, but they actually behaved extremely well. So also after 3 hours of use, maybe 4 hours of use, I've seen obviously the crease obviously started to happen in all the right places. I don't know, we're obviously gonna test them for over next month or so. We'll see how we're gonna get along. So obviously follow our Instagram as well. We're gonna give Insta stories and Insta updates on them. Obviously all of Bexley as well, they are on Instagram as well. We're gonna link all of the items that we used here in this lookbook and in this sort of review of Bexley shoes down in the description below. Yes, I approve them. Do you?